It's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop. Let's get piping. To make this Swiss meringue, I am whipping 120 grams of egg whites while heating 300 grams of granulated sugar and 75 grams of water on the stove, getting that to 244 degrees Fahrenheit and then slowly pouring it into the whipping egg whites. Whip it for approximately 3 minutes on high and you will end up with beautiful meringue with stiff peaks. You need to lay down a little bit of meringue so that you have something for your stick to adhere to. That's just a regular little paper straw with some metallic coating on it. I am freehanding Olaf and smoothing him out, but you can for sure use that trick that I taught you the other day with my burger tutorial, where you put the piece of parchment on top of a lit screen, or you can use a projector if you're fancy like that. Color your meringue with gel food coloring, or you can also use powder, which is a great option if you don't want to change the texture of your meringue. Adding the gel colors does make it a little bit smoother, so if you want that look for your meringue, that would be a great option. I picked him up and put him back down, and that happened, so be careful. Now I'm drawing in the last of the details with an edible pen. A little tip for when you know your meringue is ready when it comes out of the oven is it's not sticky at all anymore to the touch, and you're able to separate it from the parchment paper without it sticking. If it is sticking a little bit, then you want to put it back in for a little bit longer and then take it out of the oven and just let it rest on the tray. I left my Olaf a little bit more textured because I wanted him to appear like he was actually made out of snow. But if you want him smoother like how he appears in the motion picture, then you can stir your meringue a little bit by hand to deflate some of that air that's gone into it while it was whipping. Meringue is really interesting, but if you stir it too much, then it actually loses some of its texture. And this is great if you do want a smooth texture. He's gluten-free, he's fat-free, and he sure does not like moisture. So make sure when you're storing these that you put down a little layer of cornstarch and then some paper towel, and then put them on top of that and into a sealed Ziploc or plastic container of your choosing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want to be part of the Sweetie fam. I upload every day at 6 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time.